101.11 to base 2 to its denary equivalent. All right. So let's get into the solution straight away. The number to be converted, 101.11. This is in base 2. And the process is by expansion. Expansion begins with the exponents to be written. So we're going to have to write exponents from the position of the decimal point towards the left, right? 0, 1, and 2. These are the powers to which we're going to raise the base here. All right. On the far right-hand side, we have to write the other way. 1, -1. These are negative numbers, -2 towards the right. So we begin the process of expansion. That means we have this is equal to the first digit, which is 1, multiplied by the base. The base is 2, raised to the power of the digit written on it, which is 2, plus, and now we can omit the 0 because then it will be 0 multiplied by another number. 0 times any number gives 0. So we can omit this and go to the next digit, which is 1. 1 multiplied by the base 2, raised to the power of the number written on it, which is 0, plus. Now we go to the negative powers, which means the best way to deal with this is to go dividing. So we divide. The base is 2. Raised to the power, we can omit the minus now because we are already dividing here. So it is to the power 1. Plus the final digit 1. Again, division is because of the negative sign in the power. And now we have the base 2 raised to the power exponent written on it, which is 2. And by evaluating each unit here, we have 2 starting from the power area, 2 to the power 2, that gives 4, to multiply itself twice. 4. 4 times 1 gives 4. Now plus, next, 2 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 equals 1 according to the law of indices. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. Now plus 2 to the power 1 here is 2. And 1 divided by 2, 1 over 2, that gives us 0.5. Finally, 2 squared is 4. And 1 divided by 4 in decimal is 0.25. We've done this because the answers provided are all in decimal forms. So by adding this together, we get the final answer. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0.5 plus 0.25 gives us 5.75. Our final answer. This is in base 10. Very simple. And that is actually the option B, as we can see. All right. Now, you have 2 questions in the short quiz attached to this video. You can take those 2 questions. And if you want to test your knowledge, your mastery of number basis as a topic, you can click the link provided in the pinned comment. And also to watch the full presentation of the topic, number basis, you can click the link in the pinned comments to see the full topic. Right. Thank you for being part of the session.